Channel 3 is your vaccine authority. A group of healthcare workers gathered outside a Hartford hospital today to protest vaccine mandates. The workers and their supporters say they should not risk losing their jobs over their choice to not get vaccinated. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino joins us live from the newsroom with more. Mike.
Well, Shantae, earlier this summer, all of Connecticut's 27 hospitals announced that their employees will need to get vaccinated. And today, as you mentioned, some of those employees pushed back, saying that these mandates violate their rights. Now, hospitals say that these mandates will apply to doctors, nurses, and staff at not just their hospitals, but also clinics and other parts of their healthcare networks. But workers at today's rally say that the hospitals should respect their choice not to get vaccinated, especially after everything they did at the height of the pandemic. And they were joined by supporters who agree that we should just not be mandating vaccines. But the Connecticut Hospital Association says that this mandate is the best way to protect staff, visitors, and patients, especially patients with conditions that put them at higher risk of a serious case of COVID or even death. And none of the 27 hospitals here in Connecticut are considering ending the mandate.
The core of these protests, the heart of these protests, is just that we don't believe the vaccine should be mandated, that it should be where people do their own research.
The vaccines are safe and effective, and certainly since we put out that policy statement, we have spent time encouraging all of our colleagues to avail themselves of the vaccine.
Now, at many of the hospitals, the mandate will go into effect at September 30th, and the Hospital Association has supporters in its camp as well. People who say that they want to know that their doctors and nurses are vaccinated. You'll hear from one of those groups coming up on Eyewitness News at 11. Live from the newsroom, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Mike. And our team